It's Kathleen from oldworldfarmhouse.com. I've got this vintage medicine cabinet here today that I'm going to be trying to restore for our bathroom project. I'm sprayed it with this rust product, rust dissolver, and now I'm in the process of kind of gently scrubbing the rust off with this sponge. And then you're supposed to let it sit for an hour before you try to paint. I've got a bunch of spray paint here. I'm going to give it a try. So while I'm waiting, my daughters and I are going to go around the house with magic erasers and erase all of the crayon marks off the walls. Our 2-year-old has discovered art, and there is crayon on every surface and every hallway in the house. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Come along with me and let's see if we can turn this into something gorgeous. Let's go. Well, I got that medicine cabinet all clean. I really should have worn gloves. That rust dissolver is making my hands hurt. Ugh. So it says to let it sit for an hour at least before you try to paint it. And so while I'm waiting, I'm gonna get my girls and we are going to tackle all of the crayon drawings all over the house with some magic erasers and some just good old-fashioned sudsy water and rags. So come on and clean with me, get the baseboards in the process and little fingerprints as well. So I'm hoping that when we're all done, my trim is going to be looking a lot better.